it's Sunnie Bee. Let's play. In this tutorial, we are learning about our well-being. We are learning to move our body to refocus and re-energise. Let's go. You need your movement chips. Place your movement chips out in front of you. Make sure they're upside down so it's a surprise when you go to turn one around. When you're feeling restless or sad, angry, excited, it can be great to move your body around. Let's choose our first chip. We need to move 10 times or for 10 seconds, you can choose. Okay, I'm going to choose this chip. Turn it around and we need to read it. This one says cross over. You need to walk around the room crossing your legs over 10 times. Count to 10 as you walk around crossing over your legs. Let's do another movement chip together. Then you can keep turning your own chips over at home. This one says skip. You need to skip around the room 10 times or for 10 seconds. Count as you go. Now with your chips, you can continue turning them around and seeing what movements you can do. Remember, it's 10 movements each chip. When you're finished, you can play again. Or you could do a different movement activity. You could sit across the room from somebody and roll them a ball. When you roll it to them, breathe in through your nose. When they roll it back to you, breathe out through your mouth. You have been learning with Sunnie Bee. See you next time.